Welcome to my new studio and welcome to today's video. Is ChatGPT or Rytr Chat the best writing assistant for content creators? But before we go ahead and do this, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Alright, for those of you who don't know what Rytr is RYTR. It's an AI. It's been around probably longer than ChatGPT. There is some pricing and so forth involved, and I actually really like this one compared to a lot of other AI writers. Some people say it's rubbish, but other people love it. This particular one has actually improved. Now, these guys now have a chat feature in their AI. Now, let's have a quick look at the pricing. Now, over here, you've got a free plan, which is free forever. You get 10,000 characters per month. Not a huge amount, but it's for free, so not too bad. You have access to 40 use cases, write with 30 languages, access to 20 tones, built-in plagiarism checker, generates up to 5 images per month, and access to premium community. Now over here you got your other one, which is also the saver plan, generate 100,000 characters, access 40 cases, all the others, built-in plagiarism checker, 20 images, access premium community, and create your own custom use cases. Now, let's go and actually have a bit of a look at the chat section, because that's only a fairly new addition to Rytr. Now we're going to go over here. Now over here in Rytr, you also have, if you have a look here, you got Rytr, you got create, and over here you got copy, image, and chat. And this is the one you probably want to go to. Okay, so let's now start with the chat. Now I have a prompt right here that I'm going to put into it. It says, my name is Henry and I run a YouTube channel called Product Creation Formula. Please write a YouTube script about how to use AI to create content for your digital product creation. Products like ebooks, video courses, as well as content for membership sites. What I've done here is I'm going to be using this particular script in both ChatGPT and also Rytr Chat. So let's have a quick look here. Let me just copy that, place that straight into here, down the bottom here, and you can just go Control V and place that all in there, and we are now going to, oh hang on, it looks like it's limited on what our prompt can be. Okay, alright, so I wasn't aware of that. Okay, so that's a downfall straight away. I'll get rid of that, and it says also mention. Alright, so I'm going to go down here and see where that finished. See where it says also mentioned. Oh, so it cuts out from about there. Alright, so I might have to, yeah, that's not cool. Alright, so let's see what we can do. Let's now hit there and see what it does for us. Okay, so as you can see, Rytr is typing, and in just a moment we'll see what it comes up with. Sure, here's a script for YouTube. Hey everyone, it's Henry here from Product Creation Formula. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create content for digital products. Whether you're creating an ebook, video course, or content for your membership site, AI can be a game changer for your content creation process. That's pretty good. Now let's go and have a look at ChatGPT. We're going to put all of this in there. We're just going to copy the entire thing. Actually, I might even just take it up to there, because to be fair, let's not add the extra information. So let's just take it up to where the other one finished. And this way we can get a better idea as to what it's going to do. And all we have to do is hit there, and we'll see what it's like. Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Creation Formula. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use AI to create content for your digital product, such as ebooks, video courses, and membership sites. However, creating content can be time consuming and sometimes overwhelming. That's where AI comes in. Artificial intelligence can help us create content that is not only high quality, but also engaging and relevant. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so as you have a look here, oh, that's actually a much larger script. And you have more than one point. You have 5 points in total plus a conclusion. Okay, so far, ChatGPT is winning. And the best part about ChatGPT is you don't actually have to pay for it. It does have a paid feature, but you don't actually have to, which is great. Okay, so that is won it so far. Now, I'm going to pause the video while I write up another prompt, and we'll try something else. So I'll be right back. Alright, well I've written up a second one now. Let's just go here. Please write a sales copy for PLR product that I want to sell called Mastering Content Creation with PLR and AI, a complete guide to earning more money online. Use the 𝗬𝗏 formula. Now, if you don't know what 𝗬𝗏 is, if you know anything about copywriting, 𝗬𝗏 is a structure in which a lot of copywriters use to create convincing sales copy. Now, let's go and grab this. And I think the first thing we'll do is we'll go straight over to Rytr again. We'll place that into Rytr and we'll see if that's going to be okay. See if that'll fit all of that. Yes, it does. Okay, now let's just hit that and we'll see what it comes up with. Are you tired of spending hours creating content for your online business? Do you want to earn more money without sacrificing precious time? If so, you're in the right place. Introducing Mastering Content Creation with PLR and AI, the ultimate guide to creating high quality content in a fraction of the time. Okay, so you got attention, interests, and I don't see where it says the other points. Might say, it looks like it wants to continue writing. Let's go continue writing. We'll just hit continue. That's actually not too bad, the way that that's written, but it did stop halfway through a word. So like desire, for example. You can copy that to your document if you wish to. Now let's have a look and see if there's anything here for action. Okay, so that's all right. It's just part of it anyway. So let's go and have a look at what it's like with ChatGPT. So we'll put that straight into ChatGPT and see what it's like. Okay, so it says attention. Now let's just go through what 𝗬𝗏 stands for. Attention, and then it says interest, and then you have desire, and then you have action. All right, so as you can see, this fits all of this in here. Are you struggling to create high quality content for your online business? Do you wish you had a comprehensive guide that would help you save time, money, and effort when it comes to content creation? If so, you're in luck because we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing Mastering Content Creation with PLR and AI, the complete guide to earning more money online. I have to be quite honest, they're both equally as good when it comes to the introduction of it. So let's go down here. Are you tired of spending your hours creating content for your online business? Actually, that was good. And over here, are you struggling to create high quality content for your online business? Yeah, very close and similar. Do you want to earn more money without sacrificing your precious time? So, do you wish you had a comprehensive guide that would help you save time? Okay, they're both on time at this point. It seems to be very similar in how it wrote. Okay, so if you compare it, I guess, apples for apples, you'll see that they're very similar in a lot of ways in how it's structured. I'm thinking that because it's called Rytr Chat, they probably integrated ChatGPT into their system. Just so you know, if you're using the chat section in Rytr, then you'll discover that it does use up some of your credits. So just be aware of that. It's not free, so you do have to pay for it. So the question is, you have to ask yourself, is it worth paying to get Rytr.ai, or is it worth just sticking with the free ChatGPT? Really, they're the two main options you'll be looking at on this, which is going to be better for you. Now, ChatGPT and this one can both write pretty decent copy for your website. So it really is up to you as to what you want and how you want to do it. Personally, as a free aspect, I think ChatGPT is perfectly fine. And if you want to get a little bit better, you might want to copy this and then place it into 𝗬𝗏𝗁 so as it makes it even more unique. Personally, I think the way it's written is quite good and probably doesn't really need to be altered too much, because you're not doing, most people don't SEO sales pages, primarily because you sell them on places like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, those kind of places. So you don't really need to SEO it, because your sales page is mainly for those people who are going to be selling the product for you. All right. Now, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Now, just to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.